How to create a custom program dashboard in Rally. Custom pages are additional pages you can add to your environment. They use apps and provide some additional capabilities for managing work and collaboration. With a custom page, you can install a set of apps focused on a specific initiative or project. You can also filter compatible apps by a common release or iteration. Subscription administrators and workspace administrators can also share a custom page of apps with all users in a project or workspace. They are also responsible for enabling this feature for your workspace. You may create custom pages within any of the main navigation tabs. In this scenario, we will be creating a custom program dashboard from the Portfolio menu. To create a new page, select the tab and select the plus link. Enter a name for your page. Select Iteration, Release, or Milestone if you want to filter all your page data by one of these options. Once your page is created, you'll see a filter at the top of the page with options for the value you selected here. Finally, if you are a project or workspace administrator, you can share your page with others. Select Create to be taken to your custom page. You'll see the new page as a link under the menu. You may edit the name or other settings of your custom pages by selecting the pencil icon and then clicking the gear icon for the page you're editing. You'll see options to edit the page, set it as your start page upon login, hide it if you don't want to see a page that has been shared with you, or delete it. There are more options to work with the page on the page itself. Select the gear icon on the top right of the page to choose an option. Besides adding apps to the page, you may change the layout, edit the page from here, copy the page and personalize it without affecting the settings for other users, or view the page in full screen mode. The Filter By option lets you filter any compatible apps on the page by a given time box. When active, a drop-down appears at the top of the page. The value selected in the drop-down will filter any compatible app data by the time box selected. You may continue to add and use apps that are not compatible with the filter, and they will still use their existing settings. Now you're ready to add apps. Apps are individual programs or widgets that provide the critical information you need on your custom pages. There are many pre-built options available in the app catalog, which is updated and added to frequently. To install an app on the page, select the gear icon for the page and choose Add App to access the app catalog. Or, if it is your first time visiting your custom page, you can select Start Adding Apps. Filter by contributor source or category, or use the search field to easily find the app you're looking for. Alternatively, you can switch to the list view and view more apps at once. Select the Add button to add an app to the page. We will add a few apps that will help us configure our program dashboard. If you want to use as much screen space as possible, select the full screen control to view an individual app in full screen mode. Exit full screen to return to the original page view. Change the layout to choose how the apps display on your custom page. Drag and drop the apps to the correct area on the screen to choose where they are displayed. Congratulations! Now you can successfully create a custom program dashboard in Rally.